All right, we're going to hopefully do a quick video on how to insert the table that you can find in your lesson plan shared folder. This is in your Google Classroom, and we're going to insert this into GameSalad as a table. So notice that it has a header row, vocabulary and definitions, but it does not have a side row for the rows. It's got column headers, but not row headers. So we're going to do two things here. Number one, we're going to go to File, and we're going to say download as, and then we're going to go to what's called a CSV, a comma separated value, and we're going to hit it. And it's going to put one in there. And you'll see this is the second time that I've done this, and it's starting and it's working for a moment. And once it finishes, hopefully I can tell the difference between the two things. Once it finishes, I'm going to go to GameSalad, which I have opened up in another window here. So again, sadly, I'll have to give it a moment. I wanted to show you this. Shouldn't take too much longer. It's not that difficult. The internet must be bugging. All right, regardless, I'm going to go ahead and hit GameSalad. Notice I've made a new table. I can do that by just hitting this plus and the minus. Plus, add a table. I go to this table. I can rename it by double-clicking on it, vocab. Fine. Okay, now I'm going to go to here, and I'm going to go over to these two little up and down arrows, and I'm going to hit this, and I'm going to say Import CSV. As you can see, only the, oh, there it finally came. As you can see, here's the one that we just hit download on, so we're going to hit Open. It's going to ask me a couple of questions. Okay, data includes column titles. This actually is true. Data includes row titles. This is false, so I'm going to turn that off. What best represents your stuff? It's text. Okay, I'm going to go say import. So what we can see now is it does head vocabulary and definition. I can just pull this over if I want to see the whole thing. And vocabulary, if some of them need to be a little wider, I can do that. But right now, we've now got this thing called vocab, which has been imported into a table for us in things. So we can access these nodes using table cell values and the things we learned in the last video from Jamie Cross. And that's all I wanted to show you today. Thanks.